if R1 is to R2 is to R3 is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3, show that A is to B is to C, 5 is to 8 is to 9. I am not solving, similar questions have been solved earlier. In case you don't get, you can ask later. Show in triangle ABC that 1 by sigma 1 by ABC is equal to 1 by 2 RR is a mere substitution of formulae. I am not doing this also. Please solve yourself. Show in triangle ABC that A into RR1 plus R2 R3 is equal to ABC. This is ABC. Pi A is ABC. B into RR2 plus R3 R1 is also equal to ABC. C into RR3 plus R1 R2 is equal to also ABC. That you have to prove it. Please prove it. Let us see. If you don't get, we can ask. See another question now, a lengthy question. Please see. In triangle ABC, show that R1 square plus R2 square plus R3 square plus R square is equal to this 16R square minus sigma A square plus B square plus C square. Before solving this question, I would like you to know certain things. Please see here. This is elementary formula you must have done in high schools. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA is A plus B plus C whole square. I am slightly remodeling this formula. Please see. Or same formula, your high school classes. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus C, A plus B plus C whole square. The same formula we have remodeled. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. One more thing I want you to know. This is also done in schools. Please see. Multiplying 3 brackets together, x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. How to multiply? Please see. X cube minus a plus b plus c. Uncommon terms only once. X cube minus a, b, c are uncommon terms. A plus b plus c only once. X square, because descending powers, x cube is there, next will be x square. Now 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. Once you have taken A plus B plus C, now you take pairs AB plus BC plus CA, x cube, x square, x, and last minus ABC. This is also a formula you must have done in schools. I will be using these two in solving this question now. R1 square plus R2 square plus R3 square plus R square is equal to 16R square minus sigma A square. I begin the solution now. Please see. This is the left hand side. R1 plus R square plus R2 square plus R3 square plus R square. This is A square plus B square plus C square. Please note. A square plus B square plus C square. I am writing A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times R1 R2, that is AB plus BC plus CA. R1 square, R2 square, R3 square, like your A square plus B square plus C square, A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA, R1 R2, R2 R3, R3 R1. Last your plus R square is leaving as it is. There is a formula R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is equal to 4R. I will write. Therefore, for R1 plus R2 plus R3, we shall be writing 4R plus R. R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is equal to 4R. There is a formula. R is shifted that side and this will be substituted here. R1 plus R2 plus R3, 4R plus R square minus 2 times R1 R2, R2 R3 plus R3 R1 plus R square. There is also a formula R1 R2, R2 R3, R3 R1 is equal to S square. I will write later, please see. Let me expand a plus b whole square. 16R square minus 8RR plus R square. This is 16R square plus 8RR plus R square, a plus b whole square minus 2 times this is S square plus R square. I will write here. This is also a formula R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 is equal to S square. I have substituted. I am continuing, please watch. 16R square plus 8 capital R ABC by 4 delta small r delta by S. Keep watching attentively. 16R square 8R R minus 2S square plus 2R square. Small r square appearing 2 times 2R square. Proceed. 16R square plus, see here, this 4 will cancel 2 ABC by S delta also will cancel. Delta also will cancel 2 ABC by S minus 2S square plus 2 R square delta square by S square. R is delta by S. If you want, I can write here. Proceed. Delta square is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S square. R is equal to delta by S, substituted here, delta square, this is delta square by R square. This will cancel now, one S will be left out. After cancellation of S, you have short while ago seen this formula x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. I am applying s cube minus a plus b plus c s square plus ab plus bc plus ca s minus abc. X minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x cube, uncommon terms a plus b plus c, again uncommon terms 2 at a time, ab plus bc plus ca minus abc, descending order x cube, x square, x. Accordingly, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, s cube minus a plus b plus c, s square 2 times ab plus bc plus ca, s minus abc. Please watch carefully. This is 2s. If you permit, I will write sigma AB. It's only to save time I have written sigma AB. S cube, this is 2s, s square plus sigma AB into s minus ABC. Please watch carefully. This is 2 times s cube minus 2s cube plus sigma AB into s minus ABC by s. Watch carefully. S cube minus 2s cube, this is 2s cube plus AB sigma s minus 2ABC. I am proceeding. Please watch. This is minus s cube plus sigma AB into s minus ABC. Hope you are following. This is minus s cube. This is plus 2 times, please see carefully, minus s cube by s splitting plus sigma AB into s by s minus ABC by s. Split minus s cube by s plus AB sigma AB into s by s minus ABC by s. 16r square plus 2abc by s minus 2s square, open this bracket, minus 2s square. This becomes s square minus 2s square. S will cancel, plus 2 sigma AB minus 2abc by s. I want you to see from here once again carefully. 16r square 2abc by s minus 2s square plus 2 times s minus a, s minus b, s minus c after cancellation of s by s here. 16r square 2abc by s minus 2s square plus 2 times, open this by your formula, s cube minus a plus b plus c square plus ab plus bc plus cs into s minus abc by s. 16r square 2abc by s minus 2s square plus 2 times s cube, this is 2s. So 2s into s square plus sigma AB into s minus ABC, again minus 2s square plus 2 times s cube minus 2s cube. This is minus s cube minus 2s cube here, please see, plus ABC into sigma ABC into s minus ABC. I am splitting now 2 times minus s cube by s. This is s cube minus 2s cube is minus s cube by s plus sigma AB into s by s minus ABC by s. Now please see. Plus 2ABC by s cancelling, minus 2ABC by s, and this is minus 4s square plus 2 sigma AB and this is 2s whole square, that is a plus b plus c whole square plus 2 sigma AB. I will enclose in one bracket, this will become minus. Understand, 4s is 2s whole square. If you want, one more step can be had here, though not necessary. 16r square minus 2s whole square plus 2 sigma AB, that's all. So 16r square minus 2s whole square, a plus b plus c whole square plus 2 sigma AB. I have taken minus sign common here. a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 sigma ab. A plus b plus c whole square minus 2 sigma ab is a square plus b square plus c square going to be substituted now. Or may I write 16r square minus sigma a square. This is your right hand side. Sigma r square, 16r square minus sigma a square, RHS is proved.